Hello everyone, me, Sultan, and Masi, we're going to do the usability test and check if everything in the website works fine. So here at the beginning, we're going to try to enter a wrong password, anything, and we will see if the website will work. As we can see, we get the error, so it works fine. And we will click again to see if it will work, and that's fine, it's not working. And now we will enter the right password to proceed. Now we can see the website is working fine. All the links are hyperlink, and we can see that it will take us to another page. So all of them are working very fine. Let's check the other one, sexual assault. Okay, oh, this is the one that we already have checked. Let's see, sexual harassment. All the links are working so fine. We will check what else do we have to check. We will check this button if they work. Since we're on home page, nothing will happen. Once we click on About Us, it will take us to the part that we need to be in. Now we're gonna go and test this page, and everything here is working fine. This what we do for the first iteration. So we click on it, and we will gonna test every button here and check if everything is working. First, we're gonna start with the part fill. Once we have to click on it, and we click confirm. As we can see, the police, everything here is working. Other support, mental health, yeah, and we can navigate easily. We can go home from here. Let's see. Yeah, that's worked fine. So the home button worked from everywhere. We're gonna check co-filled now. We can see the result appearing. Okay, police, NGO. Since there is no near NGO, then there is no result. Once we click another support also, which will take us to check for another support also. Let's go to Peninsula and confirm. And as we can see, in Peninsula there is no there is a police station there, but there is no NGO, non-government organization, near there. Let's check mental health. As we can see, everything is working fine. Let's go to the home page from here, and that's it. Everything is working fine, and thank you so much. Thank you, Nancy, for taking control.